For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Drug Controller General of India has given a nod to Serum Institute of India to conduct Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of Oxford vaccine. Serum Institute will now conduct Phase 2 and 3 trials of Oxford University AstraZeneca vaccine against COVID-19. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare confirmed the news. A senior official from Central Drug Standard Control Organization said SII is all set to kickstart trials. The subject expert committee that went through the data and protocol submitted for the trial was satisfied with the results, and based on their opinion, the DCGI permitted its trials in India. The decision comes after a thorough evaluation of the vaccine was done on the recommendations of subject expert committee. As a rapid regulatory response, the expert panel at the Central Drug Standard Control Organization on Friday, after a detailed deliberation and considering the data generated on the vaccine candidate in Phase 1 and 2 of the Oxford University trial, had recommended granting permission for Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of the potential vaccine Covishield on healthy adults in India. The Serum Institute of India will have to submit a safety data to the CDSCO before moving to the Phase 3 trials of the Oxford vaccine. Last week, SII had submitted a revised proposal for conducting trials of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. As per the study design, each subject will be administered 2 doses 4 weeks apart, that is, first dose on day 1 and second dose on day 29. Following which the safety and immunogenicity will be assessed at predefined intervals. Meanwhile, the SII's revised proposal said 1,600 volunteers will participate in the Oxford vaccine trials in 20 cities across India. 1,600 volunteers above the age of 18 will participate in Phase 2 and 3 trials of Oxford vaccine. Serum Institute of India is one of the world's largest vaccine makers in terms of number of doses produced and sold globally. CEO of Serum Institute, Adar Poonawalla, said 1 billion doses of the vaccine would be produced by next year.
1 billion doses of the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine will be produced over the next 1 year. The vaccines will be for India and middle and low income countries across the world.
The centre has already shortlisted 5 states across the country for the third and final phase of human trials for Oxford vaccine in India. Currently, Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of Oxford vaccine is going on in the United Kingdom and other countries. Oxford's COVID-19 vaccine had produced immune response against the virus and proved to be safe in early stages of clinical trials.